Good morning, students. Now I am going to teach you English grammar. The topic is adverb. The definition of adverb is that the word which modifies any adjective, verb, another adverb, or the complete sentence is known as adverb. Next, I am going to teach you kinds of adverb. So, the students listen carefully and think what I taught you about the adverb. Kinds of adverbs. There are 9 kinds of adverb. First, adverb of time, that is showing time. The following are the more common adverbs of time. Example: now, then, before, after, since, ago, soon, late, early, presently, instantly, immediately, already, afterwards, never, when, whenever, today, tomorrow, yesterday, ever, etc. are called the adverb of time. Second, adverb of place. Adverb of place, showing place where. The following are more common adverbs of place. The example of adverb of place is that here, there, where, hence, thence, either, thinner, in, out, within, without, above, below, inside, outside, far, near, everywhere, away, forward, backward, etc. are the examples of adverb of place. Third, adverb of number. The adverb of number, showing how often or frequently is the following are the more common adverbs of number, as how often, once, twice, thrice, often, seldom, frequently, rarely, again, always, firstly, secondly, thirdly, sometimes, etc. called adverb of number. 4. Adverb of quantity or degree, showing how much. This type of adverb showing how much. The following are the more common adverbs of quantity or degree: to, almost, fully, very, enough, so, altogether, no better, pretty, well, any, quite, rather, partly, wholly, as, etc. are the adverb of quantity. 5. Adverb of manner. The adverb of manner, showing how or in what manner meant. For the example, the following are the more common adverbs of manner: cheerfully, unwillingly, clearly, soundly, strongly, bravely, hard, thus, so, cowardly, slowly, quickly, actually, fast, nobly, proudly, lovingly, etc. are the examples of adverb of manner. 6. Adverb of reason or cause. The adverb of reason or cause, showing reason or causes. The following are the more common adverbs of reason or cause. Example: owing, owing to, due to, consequently, hence, therefore, etc. are the adverb of reason or cause. 7. Adverb of affirmation or negation. Adverb of affirmation or negation, showing yes or no. This type of adverb shows the yes or no negation. The following are the more common adverbs of affirmation or negation. For the example of adverb of affirmation or negation, as, no, not, certainly, certainly not, yet, may, by all means are the examples of adverb of affirmation or negation. 8. Interrogative adverb. The interrogative adverb for ask questions about the some occurrences. The following are the more common interrogative adverbs: why, when, what, where, how many, how long, how far, whence, whither, what, wherefore, etc. are the examples of interrogative adverb. And 9. Relative adverb. The relative adverb shows the relationship. These adverbs show the relation in form. They are like interrogative adverbs, like relative adverbs. They must have an antecedent, and the adverb must refer to this antecedent. If there is no antecedent before it, it would become interrogative adverb and not relative adverb. The more common relative adverbs are these: what, when, where, why, how, whence, whether, whatever, wherever, etc. are the examples of relative adverb. So, dear students, I taught you about adverbs and write this definition and examples of the adverb to your notebook, and after that fill your notebook copy and the books of grammar books of class what I taught you. And if you ask anything about adverb, you can ask about the difficult of anything about adverb, and I hope all of you complete your book. Thank you watching for the video.